Hello there, welcome to Joseph IT Technology Entertainer. Today in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make your no preview PSD files to thumbnail images with a simple and light software that is Sage Thumbs. Simply go to Google and download this awesome software, one of the light software that is Sage Thumbs easily. It's only 2.13 MB in size and simply install it. I'm just going to install it. This is the software, but before that, as you can see, there are 4 PSD files you can see, but I cannot find any preview or thumbnails from it. I have to open the file in order to watch it, but I'm not gonna do so. I'm just willing to watch it without opening it. So installing it, okay, next, agree, next, and finally install. It's most probably done. Next, and now it's finished. And as you can see that just after installing the software in my system, all the PSD files, as you can see that the files are PSD. Okay, PSD files are now in thumbnail and I don't have to open it with Photoshop to watch it. And this is a simple way of watching PSD files as thumbnail with a simple and light software. And finally, if you found this video useful, then please inspire us by liking and sharing this video. See you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.